Hey, how's it going everyone? And what I got for you today is a Silva headlamp, where if you want to run at night and you don't have any lights, you put this headlamp. And I'm gonna do an unboxing, first impressions, and kind of a review of it. I have used it, I have put the batteries on, I have had a look at it. I do quite like it. This light distribution technology provides you with a unique combination of a long-reach spotlight and a close-range floodlight. This translates into less head movement, increased control, better balance, less fatigue, and enables you to go faster. So that's what this is all about. This is like intelligent lighting. And at the bottom here it says burn time between 90 to 30 hours, depending on the brightness that you have it. The output could be 120 lumens at maximum, but I'm not too sure if that's what's going to be. The light distance is 50 meters, I highly doubt that, but I suppose I'll have to put it to the test. Weight is 180 grams, IPX6 water resistance, and like 3 light modes and battery indication. Let's just get this out the box now. Of course we have the manual. QR code scan if you guys want to see it. I will go through this quite quickly. This is do not need brand of batteries for whatever reason. I wouldn't. It does have batteries included. They are AAA batteries, and of course you can put rechargeable batteries if you so wish. I have not. Okay, now so the box is quite cool. I will set it aside for now. And we'll actually have a look. This is the battery pack, by the way, so we'll not have a look at that. This is the main attraction. This is the actual lamp. As you can see, there's the headband, which is highly adjustable. You could even put this in your waistband if you've got a thin waistband. But yeah, so 2 lights in there, and this battery pack, which is starting to kind of annoying me. So I'm going to try and put this out the way, as it got some straps in there, and I could potentially strap this on here at the back of it. As soon as I figure out how to do that. Can I remove that? Not at all. So this is where you put the batteries. I've already done that, and it was a kind of a pain in the ass to do, to be fair, because you gotta like pop this out. The instructions aren't very clear on that, because it just says you pop this bit out, but I had to pry it open with the back of a knife. As you can see, that's pretty much just the instructions. 3 AAA batteries which are included, and it's telling you that you put it in your head, adjust it, the 3 modes which I will go through it with you guys, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's quite nice and simple. Unfortunately that one doesn't have any English, so I can't show you guys that. I do, however, want to add these on. See if I can. This headband is quite comfortable, by the way. It feels like it's a really nice fabric. Okay, there we go, it's done. Now, of course, it looks a bit bulky right now because, yeah, I'm holding it like that, but I can promise you this feels quite comfortable. Let's have a go at this. By the way, this is adjustable, like up and down like that, so you can adjust this as much as you'd like. Let's adjust it down and press it. Whoa, is that the brighter mode? Yeah, that was the brightest mode. So you got brighter mode, bright, and then you can switch in between them. If you press and hold, it turns it off. If you press and hold for 2 seconds, it's got this strobe effect. For whatever reason you'd want to have a strobe effect. I probably should give an epileptic warning, but oh well. I'm going to turn off the top light so it's a bit darker, and I'm going to turn on in maximum brightness, and wow, this is bright. The less bright. Kind of freaking out the camera. It's all wavy now. This is the brightness. I can kind of see this going up to 15 meters actually. I mean, it goes well down to the hallway. I suppose I'm gonna have to do some actual real life tests with this. I probably shouldn't be doing this, but yeah, that's how it goes. That's the brighter mode. And you gotta press and hold to turn it off. And once you turn it off, you kind of get this little green yellowish light on that one end. But yeah, there's not much else to say about this. It will definitely fit any head. You got a decent cord. The strap is actually quite cool. I suppose I should give you guys footage with me wearing this thing. We'll see. This is a brightness test. I'm in a completely dark room, as you can see, and this is with the maximum brightness on, and this is just with the lower brightness on. And as you can see, it is still very, very bright. This would actually help me in some videos, yeah, come to think of it, where lighting could be an issue. I could put the sun in there, and I'll turn it off again. Actually, I'm gonna put the strobe mode. Yeah, that's just trippy.